need ammo. Like now.
Fuck. Totally just can't believe that shit.
The healing is not as rewarding as the hurting.
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I'm like, even though I only have a mat on the floor, I think he's in the bed. Oh, Baker maybe in trouble here. Deathmark tries to clean it up for Ryu. Oh, look at the cleanse, look at the moves. Baker, what was that? Baker with a huge play, the QSS. I can't believe I just saw that. He actually won that duel. I can't believe